Hi, Pat here. I have a Technics turntable, model SL B500. This thing was made probably about 1978 or 79. It's kind of look across the top. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but there are scratches in the plastic there. Let me turn it on and keep the cue up. And everything seems to work, goes over. And I did have to put a new belt on. That's nothing unusual. You can see the timing light in there. The bottom one should be stop light. Can't quite get it to stop. So I may have to get inside and clean that pod a little bit, see if that'll help. Now this table is made to be stackable, and there should have been spindle here. Pile albums on, 45s, whatever. I don't have that. All I got is one centerpiece. Pull the mat off here. And turn the light on here. I just put a new belt in there. But go ahead and pull this platter off. Not the heaviest platter I've seen, but nice aluminum platter. And motor there. Seems to be spinning nicely. But I'm going to take the bottom off and see if I get at the electronics of it all. I got the bottom off. And take a look at the inside here. And right there in that motor. It's the 11th of May 1984. So this thing must have been made in 84. But there's the control for the speed. So I shot a little cleaner in there. And put some in the switch here. And there's also two pods there. One says 45, the other one says 33. And these holes right up here line up with them, so I just marked them. So if I need to make some adjustments, I'll be able to reach in there and grab them. I have to clean the speed control pod. I still can't quite get it adjusted. You can see there was just bouncing back and forth a little bit. So I'm going to take the bottom off again, take another look inside. I have to clean the control for the speed adjustment. I get it just about right, but not quite. You can see it bounce around there a little bit. So I'm going to take the bottom off and take another look. I got the bottom off again. And I came in and I replaced this cap. See if that'll help with the speed. I went ahead and pulled these parts off. That's there to change the records. And this piece here, all I really did was shoot some WD-40 in there. Cleaned up. Added some light oil to it. Hoping the speed was a little better. I used this stuff to polish the lid. It did a pretty good job. There's some deep scratches and nicks that won't get out, but overall it looks good. This strobe was just rocking back a little bit, but all in all pretty good. And everything's working fine now. Never say the golden eagle, drink it all away. There's mammogram feature there. Let me turn a little light on here. I'll go ahead and reject this. And what we'll do, we'll come back and play again. And I'll knock it down one. It's at 3. And there goes to 2. I guess if you want to play your record 6 times over, put an arrow, just keep repeating itself. All in all, came out pretty nice. The lid's somewhat clear. I couldn't get all the scratches out, but things turned out well. Thanks for watching the video.